How wonderful would it be?
Welcome back to the Built by Rich YouTube channel. As you can see, I am inside the MR2. I'm going to be installing the Atoto doubled-in stereo system to help modernize the MR2 a little bit. That way I can have some tunes, Apple CarPlay, navigation, and things like that. So stay tuned. Alright, so you can see I had already popped up the center console trims. It's pretty easy, it's just clips, just pry it out. Be careful because they are old plastics and they're fragile. So especially here in the center ship boot area, that's really like fragile. They crack easily. But I'm gonna take this out because that thing don't even work, and install the doubled-in. There's a couple screws. I've never done this on the MR2, so it's kind of a learning process as well. But it should be fairly simple, same as any other stereo system. Yep. First things first, we want to roll down the window because it's hot in here, and I don't want to die. There's 4 8mm bolts here, and here, and here, and this one over here. So we should take that out, then you can pull out the radio. All right, got the radio pulled out. Need to take those off because I'm gonna reuse them to mount the stereo. So make sure you keep those, and I gotta figure out all this wiring stuff over here. Okay, figure out why my front door speakers don't work. I hooked up. Fun. Too much fun. Gotta love it. Yay. Alright, I found some more wires down there, so at least the doors are wired up, hopefully. It looks like it's just been cut, kind of like this, completely. So I don't feel like taking off the door, so I'm just gonna reuse that wire and hopefully everything's hooked up. But I'll know once I hook everything up. And then I gotta transfer, basically, well, figure out some of this wiring, which is pretty simple. It's basically constant ignition power, dim, which is pretty much the same as like Blue's OS antenna, ground power, things like that. And the awesome thing is on this harness, everything's labeled, so I don't need to guess. So I basically just need to transfer everything to this wire. That way I can plug and play. Alright, it's a mess in here, but I think I got everything wired up. I did test it, the speakers work. Getting everything back here hooked up. GPS, get the antenna over there. This is pretty cool. You can have external storage, phone hookup, things for the mic and other cameras. It's pretty cool. It has a lot of features for how much it is. So let me get everything all cleaned up and then I'll mount it. Alright, I'm gonna reuse the OEM mount because it looks like it works better than the universal one they have. Plus it'll mount better on this side. The only thing is I do need to grind. There's like little tabs on there to align it, which doesn't match any of these, so I'm gonna grind those off and then mount this in. Two of the holes lined up. That should work. condition the speakers. I haven't looked at them. I mean, obviously it doesn't sound super amazing, but it doesn't sound bad. So overall, I like the way it looks. Looks like it belongs there. And just one step towards a cleaner interior. All right. Hi, Z. Bye, Z. Peace.